Hi, I'm Dr. Pam Jeffries, Professor and Dean of George Washington School of Nursing in Washington, D.C. I have been working in simulations for over 15 years in an academic environment. I was honored in early 2000 to be selected as the first program director for the National League for Nursing to conduct a simulation research study to begin obtaining the evidence for the use of clinical simulations. I have edited 3 books and 1 monograph on simulations, written numerous articles, and presented locally and globally across the world in simulations, the pedagogy, and research. I have the privilege of introducing you to our first module in our MOOC entitled The Essentials of Clinical Simulations Across the Health Professions. I begin the MOOC by setting the stage for you with the module called Getting Started in Clinical Simulations, the Fundamentals. I want to be upfront with all of you who are either thinking about starting a simulation program or a center, or else you have your center and you're trying to figure out if you have all the ingredients. This module will lay the foundational steps and essentials you need to think about when getting started. In this first module, there are 3 mini modules or sections. In the first section, I began by laying the ground discussing the NLN Jeffries simulation theory, so the simulation work is grounded in theory or science. This is important as research is conducted in the center, or as you may proceed to write a grant proposal or to conduct the research, to have some type of theoretical basis to your simulation work in the center. I use a building analogy when I discuss getting started. You create your simulation center program step by step. In the second mini module, I continue to describe more key elements when moving to a simulation-based curriculum. Key exemplars are provided and discussions are encouraged. In mini module 3, different concepts and educational activities are outlined, so as you begin your center or program, you understand a few of the national global tools, evidence, and programs that are available to you as you grow, develop, and improve your center to aspire to the goals that you may have. Within each mini module, there will be discussion questions posted for you to reflect and learn from other colleagues. At the end of every module, there will be a summative assessment, so your knowledge can be assessed for those who want to earn a certificate. An assessment of your knowledge is required to achieve this certificate. For some, the certificate isn't necessary. You are in to increase your knowledge and for leisure of reading and learning the MOOC and learn from others.